Hello everyone. Today I am going to do a video on a MUTM. It is a generally modified projected system in simple code. So for that we have to go to simply properties here, and we have to create a new projected coordinate system, and I am going to assigning its name as MUTM. And I am using center meridian for it for 81, so MUTM 81 here. And we have to assign a false string is 5 lakh, you can see, and central meridian is 81, as we have already told you, and scale factor is 0.999949. You can simply see it, and we have to provide the geographic coordinate system for it. So for that I am assigning geographic coordinate system is Everest 1830 for Nepal, and all these are for Nepal. So we have to do according to the geographical location for simply. So here I am going to applying it, and again I am going to create 3 different MUTM here for to show you. You can see it here, taking 3 central meridian, simply MUTM 84. You can simply see it here, and here we have to provide the false string is 5, 1 2 3 4 5. You can see it here, we have to provide a 5 lakh, and here you can see is 84, and now it is similar as, so I am giving it scale factor is same for all case, and we can see it here. In this projection system we have used a linear unit as meter, and as your wish we can change it to according to our necessary. So I am leaving it to the meter. So here I am changing geographic coordinate system here and simply applying it. You can see it here. Next one I am going to create another one as I have done for Nepal. So you can see it here. It is it is based on 3 central meridian, 81, 84 and the 85. 85, 87. You can simply see it here. 5 and here 87, and here scale factor 0, and you have to change the geographic coordinate system according to your need and according to your geographical region, simply, and click apply and OK. With this you can see it here, we have created different MUTM here. So you can see it here, we have created 3 MUTM here, 84, 81 and the 87. These are the 3 modified universal transverse Mercator projected system according to our need for the projection while while using our data. So with this for this small video I am gonna end my video here. Thank you.